Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android build, Wi-Fi driver, and router firmware. Do this now because outdated firmware or drivers throttle throughput. Next, position yourself 3 to 6 meters from the router with a clear line of sight. Physical obstacles reduce link speed. Once in place, temporarily disable VPN, battery saver, and background sync so your phone uses full radio resources. These first steps isolate variables, making the measurements and changes you'll apply in the next section reliable and meaningful. Once done with basics, change network settings to improve link speed. On your Android, pick the 5 GHz SSID or prioritize 802.11 AC/AX to gain higher PHY rates. Wider channels, 4080 MHz, increase throughput but watch interference. Assign a static IP only if you understand subnet settings. Otherwise, use DHCP and set fast DNS like 1.1.1.1 for quicker name resolution. Also, tweak roaming aggressiveness and stop background apps and Wi-Fi scanning. These reduce contention and RF noise so your link stays fast and stable. To finish, validate results. Run a speed test and inspect RSSI and transmit rate to ensure the link matches expectations. If numbers lag, reposition the router or try a different channel to avoid neighbors. Enable CoS to prioritize your device or app. Once you apply these tweaks, retest to confirm improvement. If problems persist, reboot router and phone, reset Android network settings, and test using another device to isolate whether the phone, app, or ISP is at fault. This single check saves hours of guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.